Did you know Optimal Access is leading the way in rethinking autism through a neuromotor lens? Our communication support training equips non-speaking autistic individuals, families, and professional teams with strategies that address regulation, motor planning, and access to reliable communication, serving individuals from age 5 through adulthood. Rethinking autism. These two words invite us to see autism differently, not as a behavior to fix, but as a movement difference to understand. To rethink autism is to shift our perspective from what a person can say to what their body may be struggling to do. At Optimal Access, we believe that communication is not limited to speech. Many autistic individuals know exactly what they want to express, but their bodies don't always follow their intentions. This is the challenge of apraxia, a neurological movement disorder that disrupts the connection between the mind and the body. Apraxia can make it difficult to start, sustain, or control movement, whether that's picking up a pencil, typing a word, or forming a sound. What looks like hesitation or resistance is often a body struggling to cooperate with a perfectly capable mind. That's why our work focuses on communication support training, teaching families, caregivers, therapists, and educators how to support both communication and regulation. We help partners understand what the body needs in order to find stillness, rhythm, and trust, so the individual can access their reliable voice. Communication begins with safety, with regulation, with a body that feels supported enough to move on purpose. When these elements come together, something incredible happens. The inner voice that's always been there begins to emerge clearly for all to hear. Every spelled word, every steady hand, every shared breath, these are the milestones of connection. They remind us that communication is a human right, and that the body, not the mind, is often the barrier we must learn to support. This is what it means to rethink autism, to believe in potential, not performance, to see movement as the gateway to communication, and to support every individual in finding their way to be heard.
We really wanted to solidify William's communication support with my husband and then add to our skills. William set some goals for himself for more independence and just really carve out some time. I think in the day-to-day we forget to take that time to reset, and I think we accomplished that.
I think it created more closeness with all three of us as a family to communicate better between not just William, but between ourselves. And it does mean a lot to us.
I like to remind people that I talk to that your child isn't counting your mistakes, they're counting on you.